a special snack for my friend's singing section. Let's start!
Let's drink! Lisa, let's go! I'm so want to drunk.
For a while, I'm preparing snack. Spicy pig ear.
Spicy pig ear.
I specially prepared this snack for you all.
And we have this one for you.
Okay.
Crunchy. Ini mo yung gulay.
Spicy pig ear, perfect with beer.
Perfect with beer. So yummy. Sarap, di ba?
Really tastes good.
Yeah,
Really tastes good. Promise you that. This is my first time again.
Yun guys, try nyo na yung spicy pig ear na gawa ni Lisa. Yan. Please like, share, comment na rin sa Season with Soul. Yan. Keep on sharing. Comment na kayo kung mayroon kayo naisip na gawin namin.
Follow
Or
me
go ahead guys.
eating various food at home.